Shall we go? Welcome to my front yard. They call it the Sheep's Meadow. To the south of us is Central Park South, or 59th Street. And as you can see, there are a couple of extraordinarily tall and thin constructions. They're in competition with each other to build the thinnest and the tallest. And it's very surprising to watch this actually happen, because it alters what, to my eyes, before that was pretty much a permanent plateau, or the horizon didn't change very much, except for the World Trade Center in both directions. So we're going to take a ride around it. Of course, we're in Central Park South, and the ride pretty much closely follows the interior of the rectangle that forms the park in the center of the city, from 59th Street to 110th Street, and from Central Park West to 5th Avenue, which I guess is about, I'm going to just say, roughly a quarter mile, filled in with green, with geological formations from the Ice Age, to beautifully maintained lawns and trees, to the people that come here from all over the world just to have the experience of Central Park. So I'm very grateful that this is actually my everyday life. It's not lost on me. That's why I'm sharing it. Oh, so we're going to take that ride, and I'll see you on the next scene too. See, they're pointing at me. They say, there he is, Mr. New York. I'm going to try not to get killed. Actually, I can do this in my sleep. Kids are always wild ones. You're going to come running this way, of course. When you see a kid, you have to assume that for sure, absolutely certain. This is public service announcement. When you see a kid, you have to be absolutely certain, 100% sure, they're going to do the wrong thing at exactly the wrong time. You have to anticipate that and prepare for that, because I would say it's better than a 50-50 chance that that is what will happen. Anyway, check out these.
What's up? Get me in a video.
But look how cool. A 1970s town roller skating.
First bike ride I can remember, Marine Park in Brooklyn, mid-60s. Up until that point, I had been learning to go from the two-wheeler, from the training wheels, to the two-wheeler on Ocean Parkway where I lived. The two blocks that run congruent to it, but one-lane traffic. We called them the bridle path. Anyway, so I'm riding on the bridle path. Instead of the two-wheeler, it's my father pushing behind me, like sending me off. And off I go. For what? 5 feet, 10 feet. And then I crash. And you keep doing this again and again and again. Maybe you don't get it the first time, but maybe the first session. But you keep at it, you get it. Eventually you start realizing that crashing, it's damn near optional. So by the time I grasped that and was ready to roll, he brought me from in front of the house on Ocean Parkway, that one block strip, to Marine Park, where there's an actual track. And there are other kids on bikes, roller skaters and joggers and who else? It's Brooklyn, it's by Canarsie. So I'm ready, this is the big day. And I get on the bike, my father behind me. Well, it's 10, 20 feet, whatever it is. Damn, those damn kids, they're maniacs. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stand here and tell them the story. Romantic couple here, all right? Give them some privacy. Let's just see. Okay, so anyway, I'm in Marine Park. And I take off, and I'm rolling on two wheels. Life is perfect, and I'm feeling really free, because this is happening. My father was where I left him. He just sat behind on a bench. Little did I know, but when I got about 180 degrees away from him, the furthest end you can be in a straight diametric line, which is far. I'm thinking like it's a good eighth of a mile, 300 yards. I crash into two boys. I was going the wrong way. It was a one-way road, and we didn't know. And I just happened to go the wrong way, and everything was fine until I crashed into these two boys who were going the right way. Two kids on two bikes. So all three of us come crashing down to the pavement, and they want to fight. Because I crashed into them. I was going the wrong way. So there was no choice. I got up, they got up, we squared off, and right before the first blow would be thrown, whoever that might be, but that's where this was going, 2-on-1. And they were bigger and older too. A little bit, but there were two of them. Right before, my father comes running out of nowhere, Superman, and he breaks it up. He pushes them away from me. Or he gets in between us, whatever. Now, that was the end of it. He rescued me. He had been keeping his eye on me the whole time. So I was spared that beating. And I never got knocked off a bike again. I've knocked people off plenty of times. And I never stopped riding. And this Central Park, this is the city ride of city rides. Yeah. Yes. It was slated to be a perfect moment to close out this absolutely perfect video until said truck rolled up on the scene with, I believe that's a diesel, running so that it stays warm and powers the generator that fuels the tailgate. It's got to be running, I think, to keep the battery charged. But anyway, it's not something I would have ordered from the sound department. Anyway, it was a great ride. I hope this is a decent shot. That's my, see my house from here. It's the one with the pyramid, but the pyramid isn't aglow this evening, so you can't see it. You just have to take my word for it. And with that, it's from Central Park. This is you know who, you know where, and if you know why, let me know. Thank you.